If you want to change lock screen wallpaper on iPhone 16e, you have to start by opening settings, and then you will have to navigate into wallpaper settings. And in this place, you can pick any of the preset. You are also able to create the new one, but let's say that I want to customize this preset. So you have to choose the lock screen, and right now you will have to click on the left bottom corner on that photo icon, and in this place you are actually get access into your photo library, so you can pick any photo that you want, and then you can also apply some different styles and click down in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it only change wallpaper. I mean, it should only change wallpaper for the lock screen, but it also changed the home screen. So we have to click right here, and then you have to set the different photo for your home screen. So let's do this right now. I would like to get this one, and now you have to click done and click done again. And as you can see, we will get a different wallpaper for the lock screen and for the home screen.